The definition of a politician is better explained in Zimbabwe as someone who promises you everything and gives you nothing. During the time of vote campaign, they come and persuade you, but when they are in the office, they forget about you. They built universities, they kept you, they promise you 2.2 million jobs and gives you nothing. The graduates this time made a statement.
What we're going to be doing today as the unemployed graduates is that firstly we're going to march in solidarity with the bond notes march. This is because the bond notes are also going to affect us. What we're saying is that we do not want tissue paper. We're saying no to tissue paper. We're saying no to bond notes because it's just a way of them to steal more money. It's just a way to keep on robbing us as Zimbabwean citizens. And then the second thing that we're going to do is that we're going to march further to the parliament where we're going to hand over our petition. These are some of the demands that are in our petition. We are not, but we're simply demanding the president to deliver each and everything that we wrote in the petition. Firstly, we're demanding that he fires each and every corrupt minister. Secondly, we're demanding that according to his election promise in 2013, where his party promised to employ, deliver, employ and develop. We're simply saying, Mr. President, where are the 2.2 million jobs that you promised? The other thing that's in our petition is that the 15 billion that just went missing. The other day, the Minister of Finance said that the 15 billion was not stolen, but however, it was due to underpricing. So we are simply saying that, Mr. President, as a learned man as you are, you can't be keeping liabilities in your office. Simply do an audit and fire each and every person who caused the funding. Is that we are demanding that an audit be done on how each and every resource, how every cent has been used since independence. That's what we're marching to the parliament to. Thank you.